Hi everyone. Wanted to speak with you today about how network marketers can optimize summer. This is Bess McCarty, founder and coach with the MLM Millionaire Club School for Network Marketers, making network marketing simple. And you know how typically network marketing the professional network marketing just accepts that summertime is going to be not as productive time. They can expect less business during that time because everybody's gone or on vacations or their money's tied up or their kids are home or all that stuff. So I wanted to dispel some of the myths that summer needs to be a downtime. So one tip is think of the people who are not making money during the summer but do during the rest of the years. They could be your prospects, for example, school teachers, right? Because they have downtime now, so they have time to start and work on a business, and they need the income. So why not talk to the school teachers that you know, or ask your friends and family what school teachers that they know. Hello, Patrice. Welcome. How are you? Another tip, when I coach clients about network marketing and they say, oh, my team is going on vacation, so it's a non-productive time, I'm saying, oh gosh, that's great. Vacation's a perfect time to meet new people that you normally wouldn't. And you can travel and get out of your normal routine and meet great new people. Hello, Ruben. Welcome. So I get excited when I hear people are going on vacation rather than look at like I can't do my business during that time. Oh, they can. They can prospect. They can meet people. Nancy Fela, wife of Don Fela, I think that she recruited a person who was, I believe, was a staff member on a cruise ship, talking about what it's like to own your life and how she can travel and all that. Eric Worre got a package of airline tickets, airline fares, simply for the purpose of just riding the planes and being able to tell his story to this captive audience, people in the seats next to him. And I believe he recruited 4 people doing this before he used up all his tickets, if I have the story right, Eric. So vacations, it's a time when you're meeting people. You can meet people in restaurants, at the beach, where your kids are playing on the playground together, hotel playground, or you're meeting new people all the time, interesting people. So it's a wonderful time to build your business. And remember that you can do your network marketing from anywhere, so you can actually go on vacation, not even interrupt the regular service that you do. So here's another thought. People are going on vacations, right? And they need money for that. So what better way than to earn it with network marketing? They can earn a few extra $1,000s. Just like at Christmas time, it's the same deal. People need money for Christmas. So why not plan a few months before Christmas, and like in September every year, encourage your team to help people think, well, Christmas is coming. Maybe I can make my Christmas money by then. Or afterward in January. Christmas is done, let me pay off my credit cards right away by starting a network marketing business and retailing fast, or signing people up fast. Get them started fast. So same way with vacations. You could start in February to plan for the upcoming vacation. Or afterward, after the vacation, to pay off the credit card again. So it's perfect. It's perfect, you guys. Don't miss out on these little angles and opportunities. And just another little example of that. Hello, Michael. Welcome. Glad to see you. Thank you for the likes and loves, everybody. If you are watching this on the replay, I love that you type in replay so that I can thank you for that. And if you know of anybody who can use ideas to optimize their summer, please share or tag people in the comments. Otherwise, you want to write where you're going this summer. Anybody want to write down where you're going to be vacationing this summer? Love to hear that. Just type that in. Okay, so another cool idea is brides. There was one lady who joined a network marketing company and made enough to pay for her honeymoon ahead of time. So there's all sorts of ways that we can look at things like this. I hope that helps. Hope this is just a quick little Facebook Live, a spontaneous one. Optimize the summer. Don't let it go to waste. Anybody have a question? Love if you type in yes if you got something from today that you can use and put into work in your business. Love if you type that in. Thank you for the hearts and the loves. Appreciate that. And again, if you know someone who could use this information, love for it to be shared. Okay. Take care, everybody. Thank you for joining. This is just a quickie. Oh, every Tuesday, 2 p.m. Facebook Live. I thank you for the likes and loves. Tuesday, 2 p.m. Central Time, Facebook Live. I cover the 7 skills of network marketing. The one coming up will be the 5th skill, which is closing, signing people up. I'm going to share with you my favorite closers. And we're also going to have guest speaker, my friend guest speaker Jeff Gamble is going to come on and speak with me again too. So we'd love to have you. And by the way, I offer a free complimentary 30-minute coaching session for those people who would like one with me. So if you would like one, private message me and we can arrange that. Also offer a free workshop for your team called Always Get a Yes. So if you would like that for your team, this is all generic stuff, safe. Be glad to do that for your team, how to always get a yes. A lot of people love these workshops. So I'll put that in the comments too. Just private message me if you like any of these things. Love to do that for you and your team. Everyone take care and have a good evening, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.